Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the personalization settings. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section here, and as you can see, here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got recently used apps, the Wings Plumage, which are pre-installed, the Sparkle option, colorful ones, Creatures of the Sea, Black Crystals, Simple, Order, Eye of the Sky, Genesis, and Eye of the Universe. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. What is more, we've got the gallery option, which means that we can enter our own photos and set them as a wallpaper. So let me find something pretty, maybe this one. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, we have to simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen. You can tap on preview and you will find out how it looks like on the lock screen of your device. So let's tap on set as if you're ready, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.